Hello everybody, my name is Janice and I am the owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, California. We are a USA-based glueless wig store. Lately I have been getting lots of calls, emails, text messages, and reviews about 3 wigs for $55 or 6 wigs for $100. We do not, nor will we ever have that special. Everybody that's getting these wigs from Magic Wig Shop is getting scammed. My wigs at Magic Hair Company, which this is the logo here, can only be found at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store, where you see hundreds of glueless wigs behind me. We specialize in making glueless and full lace wigs here. We do custom color, as you can see, and we have been in business for 10+ years. This company has just popped up and they are scamming a lot of people out of their hard-earned money. If you ever shop with us, you know our wigs are high quality, top of the line. I stand by every single wig that comes out of my store here. I've worked very hard on my business for the last 10 years. So it's just crazy that this company is coming out and has stolen and altered our logo and pictures and videos and content from lots of other companies. My wigs from magichaircompany.com are only available at magichaircompany.com and here in our Culver City, USA store. We do not sell any synthetic wigs. We do not have a 3 wigs for $50 special. We do not have a 6 wigs for $50 special. All of my wigs ship from here in our Culver City store out of a purple package. So if you're getting wigs from anywhere else that are shipping to you from anywhere else besides 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California, it's not from Magic Hair Company. If you want the best human hair wigs, if you want to be able to come in, have a one-on-one wig consultation, have a custom color consultation, come on in here, shop with us at Magic Hair Company. I am the owner. Me or my lovely assistant will gladly take care of you. We are here to help you. We're currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We do prefer that you have an appointment and let us know how we can further assist you, whether you're suffering from hair loss or just want a new look. If you want a high quality human hair wig, if you want to come into our store, try on a few wigs, make sure that it's the quality you're looking for, because we only have the best quality here at Magic Hair Company. I stand by that. My name is Janice. I am the owner. Come on in, come shop with us. We are here Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. We will gladly give you a consultation. You can decide on the texture, length, density, color, all of that. We will customize the wig of your dreams for you here at Magic Hair Company. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com. Come on in here to our Culver City store. I will be more than happy to take care of you. But stop getting scammed by these companies selling 3 wigs for $55. Love you guys. Bye.